Ever wondered how you effortlessly swipe your card abroad without those pesky foreign transaction fees? Or maybe you've marveled at how you can instantly convert currencies at competitive rates, all within a sleek mobile app. Well, today, we're diving deep into the story of YouTrip, the innovative fintech company that's revolutionizing the way we travel and spend money overseas. Imagine a world where traveling abroad wasn't a financial obstacle course. A world where you could budget seamlessly, track your expenses in real time, and enjoy peace of mind knowing you're getting the best possible exchange rates. That's the vision that fueled the birth of YouTrip. At the heart of this groundbreaking fintech journey are a group of visionary individuals who saw a gap in the market and decided to disrupt the traditional travel finance landscape. Cecilia Chu, a seasoned entrepreneur with a deep understanding of the financial industry, Cecilia recognized the frustrations travelers faced with traditional banking services. Gerald Saya, a tech-savvy innovator, Gerald brought his expertise in mobile technology and user experience to the table, ensuring YouTrip would be a truly user-friendly and intuitive platform. This dynamic duo, along with a talented team of engineers, designers, and financial experts, came together with a shared passion to empower travelers and make their journeys more enjoyable and affordable. YouTrip's innovation lies in its multi-currency wallet, which allows users to hold and convert multiple currencies seamlessly. This eliminates the need for physical currency exchange and minimizes the impact of fluctuating exchange rates. The app also offers a unique 10-currency wallet feature, enabling users to hold 10 currencies simultaneously, providing ultimate flexibility and convenience for multi-destination trips. Furthermore, YouTrip's commitment to transparency shines through with its real-time exchange rates and fee-free transactions in over 150 currencies. But YouTrip is more than just a currency conversion tool. It's a travel companion designed to enhance the entire travel experience. The user-friendly interface, coupled with in-app travel guides, travel insurance options, and personalized spending insights, makes managing your finances abroad a breeze. Since its inception, YouTrip has gained significant traction, empowering millions of travelers across Southeast Asia and beyond. The company has consistently received accolades for its innovative approach and commitment to customer satisfaction. So, the next time you're planning your next adventure, remember the visionaries behind YouTrip, Cecilia, Gerald, and their incredible team. Their dedication to creating a seamless and affordable travel experience is making a real difference in the lives of travelers worldwide. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.